Question 1. Choose one character in No Limit Tangere or El Filibusterismo that you most identify with and why.
For this question, I would say the character I identify most with would be Padre Florentino from El Filibusterismo. Why? Since ang character ni Padre Florentino ay isang compassionate na padre na nagbigay tulong kay Simon, as someone na lagi nakakita ng krimen sa balita or kaya sa social media, I hope pa rin ako na may mga mabubuting tao pero sa panahon niya yon. I admire how he represents peace, forgiveness, and moral strength. He didn't fight with violence or galit, pero with understanding and faith. I think that's something we all need to learn. To respond to the world's problem not with anger but with compassion. In any way, pinakita sa akin ni Padre Florentino na kung hindi natin mababago yung nangyayari sa paligid natin, pwede rin nating piliin na maging mabuti at gumawa ng makakabago sa sitwasyon ng bansa natin kahit maliit na bagay as long as it's in our own way. I also admire how he represents peace and forgiveness. Sa halip na gumanti or sumuporta sa karahasan, pinili niya ang kapayapaan at pag-asa. He believed that change doesn't always have to come through violence. Minsan, nagsisimula ito sa puso at sa pagkakaroon ng malasakit sa iba. In conclusion, I relate to Padre Florentino because he reminds me of the kind person I want to be. Someone who remains kind, understanding, and hopeful despite the challenges sa bansa natin.
Question 2. Explain which fictional or non-fictional character would you say you most identify with and why?
For this question, I would say the character I identify most with would be Vladilena Milise or Lena from 86 and anime. Why? Sa 86 light novel, Lena was portrayed as someone of my determination to fight racism and misogynistic view ng race nila. Hindi rin siya nagpatinag sa mga sinasabi sa kanya ng ibang higher-ups. Isa rin sa mga pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanya ay yung pagtingin niya sa mga 86 bilang tao, hindi machine or sundalong disposable lang sa laban against legions. Nakita niya yung mga value ng bawat buhay. So for me, masasabi kong mas kilala kong character si Lena dahil nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa kanya as someone na hindi basta-bastang nagpapa-apekto sa sinasabi ng iba. I just focus on my own goals and keep going. Kahit may mga taong nanghihinana ng loob ko, especially sa pagiging future dentist. Alam ko maraming challenges na haharapin para maging dentista. Pero kagaya ni Lena, gusto kong ipakita na kaya kong lampasan lahat ng yun with hard work and determination. In the same way that Lena stood firm in her beliefs. Gusto ko rin maging ganon. Someone who stands up for what's right. Someone who uses her knowledge and skills to help others. So, in conclusion, si Lena ay isang reminder sa akin na kahit minsan parang ang hirap labanan ng sistema or mga taong nasa paligid mo, ang importante pa rin na manindigan ka sa kung ano yung tama.